This is Rebecca, the Steampunk Planner, and RebzDoodlz. Hi, Doodlers. Okay, wanted to update you on a few things. We've had a lot going on here since the 8th. Our friend Ashley needed to move in, so being the fact that she's in a wheelchair, we need her to get her access downstairs. But we didn't have the room, so we're upstairs. This way, too. We'll get to the shipping department later, but right now, I am currently working on the collections. I did lose 2 weeks. So the launch for the Ember Hollow is now October 4th. So the new moon or harvest moon collection is going to be launching in November. So I'm splitting both of those up. I did hope to get them all done for the October launch, but I hope you don't mind because it gives me the opportunity to really work and dedicate on the Ember Hollow right now. And then later, of course, the Harvest Moon. We are planning Black Friday already and Cyber Monday. So stay tuned. As soon as I have some information for you, I will make sure to get that up on all platforms that we are on right now. So thank you for joining me, and we will talk again soon.